With the 50-foot Ethernet cable, noticed the clips are designed so that they kind of stay in place better. When I inserted it in just to double check connection, it does make a clicking noise. I pulled it back out in order to be able to do the video because I was impressed with the way they actually the wire themselves will bend. It's got good flexibility, and then it, comes out of that shape. So it's flat, so I can squeeze it in behind spaces because it's a 50-foot cable. My intentions actually are to run it to our security camera at the back of the house. We have to have Wi-Fi direct to it with the type of camera it is. So the ability to squeeze this into spaces is very good. And then also I'll be able to mount it easier because of the fact that it's flat. But I just wanted to pull up the video in order to be able to show how flexible the wiring is and how it bounces back into shape, because you can't really show that in the pictures. So I hope that's helpful to somebody. Thanks.